Hi guys, welcome. This is Sean with MarineMax in Palm Beach Gardens, and today we're going to be going through this beautiful Cruisers Yachts 46 Cantius. Let's hop on board. So first things first, I want to point out this large, wide, submersible swim platform. Now this one, it goes about like 2 to 3 feet in water, and I like it because when you're out there at the sandbar, let's say you're in 10 feet of water that you can't actually stand, you got to be swimming around. This will give you the ability that it's going to sit at a level that you can just sit, relax, instead of holding on to ropes or tubes or anything. And nice feature is when it goes down, these slots right here actually become a stair, so you actually step down into the water. Aside from that, we have a nice canyon grill back here. Really nice when you're at the sandbar, just cooking up a couple of burgers, hot dogs. Sunday football season coming up right now, so it's like the perfect setup right here. Lots of storage. One thing to note with these cruisers, they definitely thought about storage when they constructed this boat. Ample storage throughout this boat. So this one, you have access here, you have access down here for a fridge, and then you come over here as well, more access to your storage. Now this is where it gets fun. You have your shore power cord right here, and it's all electric. So what you do is you come out here, push a button, and your shore power cord comes out. Put it back down, shore power goes back in. And then you also have your control for your submersible swim platform back here. And now we're gonna be moving over to the aft cockpit area. Nice gate back here, elegant, so that when you're running, if you have a dog, a baby on board crawling around, you know they're not gonna fall off. Coming in here, we have a nice 6 to 7 people aft cockpit seating area. Electrical wireless charging ports right here. We do have this one optioned out with the fridge in the cockpit. Now, most boats, they have all your switching kind of up at the helm. Cruisers did it a really wonderful way that you have your engine room light switching, your cockpit lights, spreader, indirect lights, underwater lights, and then my favorite of all, our sunshade. Automatically retractable, comes out, covers all your seating area in the back here, and just overall a really nice family boat for a day out on a Sunday, sandbar and all that. Now let's hop on inside. Now, once we come inside, you're gonna see this feels like your living room at home. You got a nice table, dining table over here, relaxing, lounging sofa over here. And now here's the best part. While the husband's cooking outside, grilling the steaks and everything, all the side dishes can be prepared right here, from potatoes, corn and everything. Remove this, we got a nice elegant sink as well over there, and like mentioned before, plenty of storage all throughout the boat, from top cabinets to down below. And then there's always never enough fridges on board to keep the drinks cool. So we have one here, we have a freezer down below as well, and then we got our TV station right here for the Sunday football games. We got our stereo control, all our switching for the insides, AC panel, and then we'll move up to the helm. So at the helm, now we're going to talk about our setups. We got twin 12-inch Garmins over here. This boat is equipped with a Seakeeper as well, Seakeeper 6. We got a VHF radio over here. Everything while you're driving is in reachable area. You do not have to lean over, move over, ask somebody to, hey, can you let me through? Everything is designed so that the captain doesn't even have to move an inch left or right. Now this boat is equipped with the Volvo Penta 600 horsepower D6 engines. Nice feature, joystick right here. This joystick docking, you're on a 46-foot yacht, but let me tell you, it feels like you're driving a 25-foot center console. with twin engines and a joystick on it. You can put this boat anywhere you like. So let me say this. If you're afraid of getting into like bigger boats and all that because I'm not sure if I can handle it or anything, the 46 Cantius or any Cantius model is definitely the way to go because it's so easy to learn on. Now, enough about all those engines and all that. Let's get down below and see all the beautiful staterooms. All right, so now let's go down below. So I wanted to just point one thing out before we keep on going down below. Remember, you guys, I was saying how everything is in such reachable place at the helm. You open this right here at the stair, your whole electrical panel is right here, from generator turning on, shore power switching and everything. It's just a simplicity that less is more with Cruisers Yachts. It's just so amazing. You don't have to go into like a deep cabin or anything to get to your electrical panel. You know, let's just say if something tripped the breaker, you're right there. You don't have to step away or anything. You can have somebody just keep an eye out in front while you check the breaker, close this thing back up, and you're good to go. All right, let's go over to the staterooms now. So at a first glance, you're gonna look at this beautiful, luxurious stateroom and think, oh wow, that's a nice master stateroom. Well, guess what? This is actually the VIP guest stateroom. Very elegant. If you want to come over here, I can point this out. We have a separate AC electrical panel right here. What that does is, let's say we're at the sandbar a Sunday, we got little ones, they're tired, they want to take a nap or anything. You can close this door, have them nap in here while bringing the temperature down in here to, like, let's say 71, 72. And outside is a completely different temperature as well. So you guys can keep on enjoying those Sunday night footballs and all that while your little ones are sleeping in here. To point out, they have gone above and beyond on setting this stateroom up. From independent control lighting, you got switches over here, you got switches over here. Again, gotta point this out, the massive storage space throughout this boat. Over here, down below over here, they do come with extra sheets for the beds as well. And then last but not least, we have the Poseidon interior towels with Cruisers dedicated emblems. Once we come over here as well, we got a separate door to come over to the head in here. And look at this, believe it or not, this is a head on a 46-foot yacht. Look how much space I have to move around here. We have a stand-up shower as well in here. And look at this. I can sit down while I'm showering. No other 46-foot yacht out there is as well designed and comfortable as the 46 Cantius. Now, enough with the guests. I know we want to get to the master stateroom. Before we get there, I just want to keep on pointing out storage. We're in the stairs coming down and we have more storage over here. It's just an incredible job that Cruisers Yachts has done with this 46 Cantius. Now for the main event. This is the door that leads to the most impressive area, in my opinion, on the 46 Cantius. You see, we're gonna have like a little step down over here. This door right here, we'll get back to it, but this is the master head. Again, just more and more storage over here that goes all the way deep inside. And the impressive part is you just keep on stepping down. Look, I'm 6'2", and I got way enough room for here. This is a nice area. Let's say, like, sometimes I get tired of being outside. I have all my friends out enjoying the boat, enjoying a sandbar Sunday. But I sometimes just want to get away and be alone, just for 30 to 40 minutes. This is the perfect spot. We come around here, I have a TV right in front of me, so when I just want to escape and be on my own, come in here, turn the TV on, put the game on, and relax. Just disconnect from everyone for a second, but not for too long. Gotta get back out there and party, right? So coming around, as I like to call it, That's the husband's side, this is the wife's side. Why? Look at this. Storage for makeup, storage. This area is all about storage. Now guys, I'll tell you one thing. If you want to take this side, I am sure that your wife will be fighting you. And you'll probably not even sleep in here, but on the couch upstairs. So again, more stereo controls over here. Now, one thing to note is each stateroom can be separated from the stereo. So we can have one like stereo going on in here. Your guests in the guest stateroom have their own music, and then whoever's up in the salon has their own music. Now, it doesn't mean that if you're in the salon, outside and inside has to be the exact same. You can actually separate the outside from the inside as well. So that's going to be 4 different zones throughout this whole boat. Now, to note, each side of the bed, you are going to have wireless charging pads. This side you have the AC controls as well as the 12-volt plugs with USB chargers, and then USB chargers over that side, as well as controls for the lights. And last but not least, let's say we're in the Bahamas, we're staying at the docks, we need to wash our clothes. We come right here, open this up, we have a 2-in-1 washer and dryer on board to facilitate all of that. Alright, now let's check out the master head. So nice door, nice finish, opens up, stops right there, come in, and again, just very spacious, storage all throughout, nice layout right here, and again, same like the guest head, nice sit down shower over here, closing door for the shower, and just overall the quality of this boat, just amazing. Now let's get out of here and let's look at the bow of the boat. All right, so now we're here at the bow, a very spacious bow, high off the water as well. And I just want to point out, this is a very nice sun lounger as well. Now here's the best part of it. We have a table right here, so you can have your drinks, little snacks, you know, and all that. Now, this is the best part of it all. We come up here, set up the backrests, both sides. Perfect for when we want to go tanning and all that. Now here's the best part of the bow for me, aside from the sun lounger. We see these right here. You're probably going, what are those? If we come inside of here and you see these poles actually clip in there, one on each corner. So we have 4 corners, and then you get a nice bow sunshade going as well here. So let's say mom and dad, kids are having a big party at the back and you guys want to separate from them, put the sunshade out here. Both of you guys have your drinks, little snacks over here, and just sit back, relax, and let the kids enjoy in the back. Now, we're gonna get a little technical again over here. We open this right here. We have our anchor locker. 15 foot of chain, and then the rest rode. And best part, we have our anchor controls as well here. We can control them from inside, or we can control them right here. The ease of that is when we're at the sandbar and we're bringing the anchor back up, you can control how fast, or if it's the anchor's coming up sideways, you can look and make sure, hey, it's sideways, let's drop it back again and get it going. And that concludes our walkthrough of the 46 Cantius.